I'm going to show you our mobile app. So we use a LC lead connector for a lot of our services, and one of those is the mobile app that they provide. So you'll actually use their app, but it'll connect to your Landscape AI account. So over here on your menu, there's a button for mobile app. Click that, and it's basically just going to give you instructions on how to download it. Here's the direct links. You can like copy and email those to yourself, or you can send invites by email to the users. So you can select, whoever you want to invite, hit send invite, and it'll go out to them. You can also click this to automatically send an invite when a new user is added. So, and then it kind of just goes over here briefly the what it does. But I'm gonna connect my phone, kind of go through it with you. All right, so here is what it would look like. You're going to start out on this page. This is just your alerts. So it's just going to kind of show, your activity of what's going on. Pretty much on all the pages, you'll have this little lightning bolt symbol down here, which is just kind of like quick actions. So you can do that pretty much anywhere to do those things. But you can also click the little bubble. That's your kind of your conversations tab on the mobile. You click calendar, see all your calendar stuff. So you can click on the dates and see, if you have something scheduled there or not. You can add an appointment, or you can block a time. So if you need to block a time out for some reason, you can do that there, and then that'll basically just make it to where people can't schedule a calendar appointment during that time. Okay, here's your contacts, and you've got your smart list up at the top here. There's all your contacts. If you click the menu button, it's got a few other things you can do in here. So your opportunities, if you need to do manual actions, like make phone calls or send text messages, you can do your invoices, insights, tasks, and reputation monitoring. So insights is kind of a little mini dashboard that just shows you the real quick kind of thing. Um, so yeah, so that's the mobile app. Obviously, it's super important being a landscaper where you're probably out in the field or driving around doing estimates, things like that, to be mobile connected so that you can be as responsive as possible. So highly, highly recommend that everybody have the mobile app and utilize it. It's pretty user friendly and fairly powerful. Of course, there's a lot of stuff you're not going to be able to do on the mobile app that you can do in the desktop app, just because mobile is going to be limited. But it'll allow people to call you, text you. You can call and text them back. You can send emails out of it. Run your calendar and booking, your contact list, all that kind of stuff, and then all these extra things. And just recently, we did add the ability to do mobile pay. So if you hit the dollar icon there, then you can, as long as you've got that set up with a payment processor, you can take payments there. So in the field. And this is your transactions. I don't have any, but it will show your transaction history here. And then I think it will do it. It should do it for me because I haven't connected, but you can connect it to Apple Pay as well. So you can set all that up in there. So the mobile app is just lead connector, just like you see it here, lead connector, and download it. Of course, it's completely free. It's part of your service already. So download that, get it set up. When you first do it, it's going to pop up and ask you to log in. It's the same login information that you log in on the desktop with, and that way you can connect to your account and pull all the information over and all that kind of stuff. So